Basic appraisal procedures, page 158. Be converted to a commercial use, such as an office or shop. This potential should be explored, perhaps because of the physical condition or design of the residential structure. Conversion cannot be economically accomplished. Many times, the site on which the dwelling is located, while commercially zoned, is not large enough for most of today's commercial uses, and the site zoning requirements standing alone. The site must be joined with a neighboring site. If this were the case, the site's highest and best use would be to assemble it with a contiguous site, creating a larger site with greater commercial utility. Of course, the appraiser must analyze how reliable the neighboring property is for successful assemblage. Once this is decided, the appraiser must consider a house located on the site. This requires significant observation and knowledge of the market. If the site would be needed immediately for assemblage, the conclusion would most likely be to raise the house and make the site available for assemblage. If this is not the case, an interim use for the house, for instance, a residential income property, might be included. There are many potential scenarios for determining highest and best use in a non-residential appraisal assignment, depending on whether the site is currently improved or if it is vacant. If the site is improved, the appraiser must first determine if the improvement is bringing the greatest return to the land in terms of market value. Let's begin with some typical commercial zoning regulations and a simple example. The highest and best use analysis for a residential dwelling on a commercially zoned lot often presents a challenge and complex task for the appraiser.